I have written in Efficacy of Raj Yoga. It is we who give them power. Them means powers of nature. As in Greek, Athena is called the goddess of war. Athena, goddess of war. So, any deity, they begin to begin to think. It is the war deity and something like that. So here also, Kali Devi is the goddess of destruction. But it is of course, both powers are there. Destructive and constructive, both powers are there. And yogi of higher standard, they get command over it.
Both of them.
Both of them, constructive and destructive. And prophets come. Generally, I am telling you, they have command over destruction, destructive power, not on constructive power.
Prophets.
Like Krishna, I am telling you an example like Krishna.
You mean he didn't have constructive power?
Constructive power, no. Destructive power he had. Because he has to destroy, demolish the building and then to grow something higher. When I talk very freely.
When you talk,
I talk very freely. Because truth should reach you. And these bhaktas, I mean saints, they are generally giving, not generally, they are giving constructive power. And if need arises, suppose for the change of the world, then they are giving destructive also. Constructive, they bring constructive power. But destructive also, but rarely they are giving when nature wants some change or overhauling of the world. Then those two things.